Hello, and welcome to another episode of Tech Money Diaries, where we talk about real tech, real money, and real life. And today, our topic is online jobs from home. So, understanding no experience, skills, resources, mindset. No experience indicates a beginner friendly entry point. It encourages individuals to leverage existing skills, access available resources, and adopt a growth oriented mindset to successfully navigate new job opportunities. Data tasks. These are entry level data tasks. Discover some simple online jobs requiring minimal experience. So you have data annotation, which involves straightforward labeling tasks that help train AI modules, making it accessible for beginners looking to gain experience. You have Microworkers. Microworkers provides a platform for short online jobs, allowing workers to complete tasks for quick payments and flexible schedules. Then you have Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk offers a variety of micro tasks that can be done from home, providing opportunities for anyone to earn money with no prior experience. Then you have content review and support roles. This is various roles that require minimal experience. So TaskUs offers content moderation services, ensuring that online platforms maintain a safe and engaging environment for users effectively. You have SupportNinja, which specializes in customer support tasks, providing businesses with trained professionals to handle inquiries and improve customer satisfaction efficiently. And then you have Appen, which focuses on social media evaluation, allowing individuals to assess and enhance online content quality while providing valuable feedback to brands. Writing and transcription, exploring opportunities in remote writing and transcription. You have Scribie, which offers audio transcription tasks, allowing you to transcribe audio files into written text, providing flexibility in remote work options. Then you have CastingWords, which provides transcription and editing services, connecting freelancers with various projects, enabling you to work at your own pace. Then you have Rev, which specializes in freelance transcript work, providing opportunities to earn money by transcribing audio and video content from various clients. Then you have the chat and non phone support options that are available. Some of the realistic pay is just understanding rates and growth. Pay rates for online jobs significantly influenced by experience, task complexity, and industry demands. Setting realistic expectations helps us to assess opportunities and maximize earning potentials over time. Then you have um, scams and red flags, which pretty much it helps you with spotting false promises, like look for things that are trying to get you to pay, look for things that are promising high amount of money and little to no work, just things of that nature. If you have any questions, please stay in touch with us, like, comment, and subscribe for more information on real tech, real money, and real life by Tech Money Diaries. Thank you for tuning in, and please post any questions that you have in the comments, and we'll be more than happy to answer those for you. Until the next episode, thank you for watching and tuning in.